Hey guys, just wanted to put out an updated video on the new Octo4a 1.2.4. It's now working on the blue View 2 phones with Android 11, and it installs and sets up very easily. You won't hear me talking through this whole video, but I'll talk when I need to hit the points and stuff. The install and everything is very easy. So you just go to Google, go to Octo4a, go to the free Linux website on GitHub, scroll down, go to the releases page, and 1.2.4 is right here, the latest. Just go down here and download the APK. It doesn't take very long. And then once it gets to here, I open it and then click install. And then I click done and I back out of here and just close Google down from there. And then it gives me an icon on my phone up here. Not all phones will do that. And then all you do is click on it and then install Octoprint. And then you want to allow that. And yes, I enable reporting. And then now it's going to be a few minutes and you can watch it go through its steps. Okay guys, so once it gets to this point, it's installed and it closed down. Now one of the things that I've always done, I don't know if it matters, I've always gone here to settings and then gone into apps and notifications, and then you go to the app and force stop it. And I don't know if it really benefits to do that. It's just something that I've always done and it's always worked well for me. And then when you open this back up, you need to click allow there. You need to change your settings here so it doesn't optimize the battery. And as you can see, there's no corruption problem or anything. It enabled everything on here. So then if you give it a minute now, it should give me an IP address right here where it says Octoprint is starting once it is all up. There you go. It gave me the IP address. You can log into that with the browser on your computer, whatever, to set it up. I usually do it that way only because it's easier than working with the small screen. Now, the last couple things you need to do is just go here, and then you want to allow while using the app. This is for your camera, so the camera server is on. The other thing that you want to do is go up here to install plugin extras, and it just takes a minute to install them. Then once the plugins are installed, you can just hit this printer icon at the bottom and then click the Octoprint is running, and it's going to give you this pinned thing on some phones. I don't know if it does it on all of them. And there you go. You're now at the startup screen to set up a brand new version of Octoprint. The only other thing that I had to purchase to get things working the way I wanted it to was this little USB-C to USB adapter that plugs into the phone, and it allows me to be able to charge the phone and connect to the printer at the same time. That's an issue that a lot of people are having with the micro USB phones, is that you can't charge and control the printer both at the same time. And guys, here's that same setup running on my Elegoo Neptune 3. And it runs with no issues that I've found so far. Obviously, I printed the arm for the phone to mount to. I haven't really ran into any issues except for a little bit of lag on the camera. I don't know if that's normal or what causes that. It's always been a huge resource thing with Octoprint and running webcams and stuff like that, even with regular Octoprint. And here's the instance on my computer. I've logged into it through the IP address. I just like doing it from the computer because I have bigger buttons and stuff and can see better than trying to work with the small screen on the phone. So in closing here, guys, there's a lot of things that probably still work and don't work for some people with this. I don't know about Octolapse. I know a lot of guys have said that Octolapse is not working. I personally don't use Octolapse, so I haven't tested that. And I know that there are a lot of updates right now going on with plugins to bring them up to the new version of Octoprint. So if you guys need any more help, just let me know. You can either leave a comment here, or I'll put a link in my description for my Discord, where I spend pretty much all of my time. It's probably a lot easier for you to get in contact with me there. But I just wanted to show that the new 1.2.4 is up and running, and it's working with the Blue View 2 phones, and it's working with Android 11. Thanks, guys. See you next time.